Hey there, welcome to Wheels Joint. If you have been wondering how to reset this annoying service interval reminder on the dashboard of your Kia Sportage, you have come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the simple steps to get it done in no time. First things first, hop into your driver's seat and turn on the ignition or start the engine. Now press the menu button on the steering wheel to open the settings menu in the instrument cluster display. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Service Interval. On the Service Interval screen, press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel for a few seconds. A prompt will appear asking if you want to reset the service interval. You can confirm your choice by selecting Yes and then pressing the OK button on the steering wheel. And just like that, you have successfully reset the service interval reminder on your Kia Sportage. So next time that reminder pops up, you'll know exactly how to take care of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wheels Join for more helpful tips and tutorials.